Okay, so what you're doing there is we're tightening, making sure that the temperature of the fridge will be able to get cold. If we fix the light for some lighting inside the fridge, there we go. Now we're going to close it and just put the screw right there to tighten it so it can stay and fit right there properly. So we're going to tighten that. There you go. Gonna cover that up with a lid. Once we're done screwing, one more screw. Tighten, tighten, tighten. And it's getting tight. There you go, here comes the lid. Gonna cover that with the lid. Try to fit that in correctly. And there you go. Here's your Hisense fridge working.